Like, will it from the female please? And a woman like it. Will it psychiatric hospital be this side? Okay, is there any place that psychiatric hospital is in this area, in this neighborhood?
No, I'm a stranger.
Okay, please, I want to ask you a question. Then, 3 days ago, dog bites me, my dog bites me. And when they took me to the hospital, I bite it, one doctor there. Let's see, now Frank Sigamer. Oh, my brother. One of you guys. Use this question, please. Please, I want to ask you. Whether the psychiatric hospital will be this side? Yes. My dog bite me since 3 days ago. And yes, no, my dog bite me since 3 days ago. Or they around this 100 mm 30, 100 mm every 30 hours.
He tried it.